Hello, this is Paul Reiber of Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we're looking at a brand new, black, beautiful 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan with only 26 miles. This is a brand new wheelchair accessible mobility conversion, converted right here at Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Automatic rear entry, push button, deploys within seconds. Brand new, powder coated, beautiful floor. Bucket seats in the second row. Rear air conditioning. Backup camera, touchscreen radio. Within seconds, just a few seconds. In and out, easy peasy. This is an absolutely beautiful, brand new, 26 miles. It's a 2017 that's brand new. Never been titled other than to us when we purchased it brand new. Brand new wheelchair conversion. We have hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles here in stock. We've been in business for decades, since 1985, for over 30 years. We have cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. Huge selection. Give us a call with any questions you may have at 1-800-625-6335. It's 1-800-62-NEIL. We're the inventors of the Kneelvan. This particular van, when you push the button, the whole rear of the vehicle kneels down to make the grade not so steep. A very easy entry, easy exit, as the whole rear of the van kneels down to make the not so steep. So the ramp is easy to get in and easy to get out within seconds, push of a button. We have wheelchair accessible vehicles like this that have power transfer seats on the driver's side as well, so you would be able to transfer from your wheelchair into the driver's seat and take off virtually with no help whatsoever from anyone, with some addition of hand controls and maybe easy lock system in the floor to keep your wheelchair secured so it's not moving around in transit. Just one of hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles we have in stock here. Please give a call to our sales representatives for any questions you might have on pricing, payments, etc. The toll-free number at the headquarters is 1-800-625-6335. We're located in Battle Creek, Michigan. We have sales reps in the field across the country. We offer coast-to-coast delivery. We offer free in-house demonstrations as well. This is the My Gig radio, touchscreen. Look at that, within seconds. Easy peasy, opens and closes, the push of a button. Very nice van. Black on black, 2017, just 26 miles. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan, family-owned business. Our family works hard to help your family's lives a little bit easier with our wonderful wheelchair mobility accessible vehicles. If you're interested in wheelchair accessible vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-62-NEIL, or visit our website at freedommotors.com. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.